This is the Atlantic. I think this is for 303 with the smoke and the reverse and all that good stuff. And what I'm doing now is powering it through rolling roads. A rolling road for the tender or diesel that are now powered by the track up through a special wire that's been put in place. I've also changed these rolling roads designs, this particular design, so that it can also operate a scale sized flange of S gauge in scale, so that not only the tin plate high rail that we use in our toys, but in the more accurate modeling environments of S scale, the rolling roads will operate with power and support diesels and steam engines operating. Power through the rails. There you go. Later. You gotta run way behind as usual.